Do you know many people are having trouble with figuring out their French press size? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Identify model. Identify which model of Bodum French press you have. This will determine potential size options. Step 2. Recognize small size. Know that smaller French press models have a capacity of around 12 to 17 ounces, serving 1 to 2 cups. Step 3. Understand medium size. Understand medium Bodum French press options hold about 27 to 34 ounces, suitable for 4 to 8 cups. Step 4. Learn large size. Recognize that larger Bodum French presses can hold up to 51 ounces, perfect for up to 12 cups. Step 5. Select correct size. Choose the right size of your French press based on your coffee consumption needs and number of servings. By understanding these steps, you are now able to determine the capacity of your Bodum French Press coffee maker effortlessly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Bodum users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.